This is going to be a video product review of the Artman replacement battery for the GoPro. This version is their USB, I think it's the micro USB over there, and it also has a USB-C connector. And I'm also doing a review, you can check my channel, of the one that strictly has the USB-C. This is going to be a product review of the Artman GoPro replacement battery. Now, there are two different packages here, so I'm going to be doing two different videos. Let's unbox this thing. I've already bought this once, and I just went and bought it again because I use them. I've got my GoPro HERO 7 Black. These will work, let me see, I'm looking right now on the GoPro HERO 7 Black, the HERO 6 Black, the HERO 5 Black, the HERO 2018, compatible with the original. Let me take this out of the box. These are awesome. Now, let me say, if you have a GoPro, I have a GoPro, came with the stock battery. Did it come with more than one? No, it just came with one. Put that battery in there, and of course, you know, it was shipping and stored in the store for a while, so the battery was half dead. Charged it up, went out and shot a little bit of 4K video, and it was dead within like 20 minutes or so. Went out and I bought these Artman GoPro replacement batteries, and these are awesome. If you check my channel out, you'll see that I go and do bike rides that are like 2 to 3, 4 hours, and one of these batteries will last about an hour. It's pretty awesome. And these are not that expensive. If you're going to own a GoPro, you need to have backup batteries. You can't have one battery and then stop and charge it up for 4 hours or whatever it takes. This looks like the one that I already have. So it says 1500 milliamp. The other one says 1480. So I think they're just 1500. Well, let's take these out. And so what I'm able to do is I can go on my bike ride, and these will last about an hour. After about an hour of shooting at, what do I shoot at? I shoot at 720, 60 frames per second, which is a nightmare for editing. That's a lot of frames. It's you're shooting a lot of video, lots and lots of video. Now, 4K, you probably, well, you definitely would not get. You would definitely not get the 1 hour on there. There's just no way. But the neat thing is, I can ride my bike. After about an hour, I check the camera. It says I need to, says I'm probably like 15%, 20% or something, and I just pop in another battery. And so I've got 3 of these things, plus I've got the stock battery that I carry with me in case I would run out. But I won't have to do that now because I've got all these Artman GoPro replacement batteries. So this comes with 3 batteries. These look, I don't know for sure, but I would bet these are made by the same company that makes the GoPro battery. And then you've got your USB, oops, sorry about that little noise. You have your USB cable, plug it into your computer. I have a high power USB plug adapter, so I plug it into that, and then I plug this into the back of my charger over here. Now on this one, you can see that we're plugging this cable into here, and this certainly looks to me like this is a USB-C. And the one that I already have is just the standard USB, but I thought, why not? Let me go buy this thing. Now let's go to the other one and see what the difference is, because there is a difference. I'm not really sure what. This is the difference. That is USB, and that is a USB-C connector. So that's what the difference is. I think there's a little bit difference in price. I'm not 100% sure. And again, on the website, one of them shows 1480, the other shows 1500. I don't know. These batteries look exactly the same. So I'm not going to unbox those. Let's take out the charger now. The charger is much bigger. I'm not really sure what the difference is. So let's look. We've got Artman. I'm really happy with this product. That's why I went and bought 6 more batteries. I also bought another camera that I returned. So right now I have 9 batteries. I'm never going to have a battery problem. We have a USB-C connector over there. We have the bottom over here. Let's see what this says. This says for GoPro, do not assemble. And then let's look at the cable. So we've got the USB to the C. And I just want to check this out right now, see what the difference is. I want to show this to you. So we've got the, it's got a display over there. I don't really know what the display is. On this one over here, when the battery is dead or needs charging, it will show red. So all you have to do is take the battery, you snap it in here like this. If the red light comes on, you know it needs charging, and when it's fully charged, it will go to green. And sorry about the layout over here, I wasn't expecting this. This just has a display, and let's try this out and see how this works. Is it powered up? It's plugged into the, oh, there it is, so it's charging. I love this, you know, let me zoom in a little bit. So we've got the charging display over there instead of the lights. These are awesome, and all I can say, I'm sure there are other companies that are out there that are making these things, but Artman's been really good to me with 3 batteries. I've done a 4-hour ride, 3.5, 4 hours out there, and did not even drain the I don't know if I even started the 3rd battery, but I had the 3rd battery there. I might have used a little bit of power. So now I've got lots of batteries, and that's really what you need. If you're a GoPro person, you're going to need this stuff. If you're shooting 4K, you're definitely going to need it, unless you want to be tied to the battery and worrying about when it's going to die and when you have to charge it up and how long it's going to take to charge. And so I'm going to leave a link in the description, an affiliate link from Amazon. So if you click on that, it will help you out, it will help me out, and you can go buy this Artman thing. I bought these, they did not send them to me, I bought them, and I'm really happy with them. I'm very happy with them. Let me go get that other battery here and plug that thing in so we can see what it looks like. Oh, I'm upside down there. I was not expecting to do this. And the cord's not very long, so that's why I have to be right next to the computer to do this right now. I've got an extension, but again, I wasn't expecting to do this in the video. So we've got all 3 of these that are going to show that they need to be charged up. And they are all charging up. And this is just an awesome product. The price is really good. You know, it's in the low 20s. So you can't beat it. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment on the video. It all definitely helps me out. And again, check out the description. There will be a link to Amazon so you can buy these things if you want to. They're really good. I don't know what the difference is between the USB-C and the micro USB, except this one has that look and this one has just this look, and I think this one's a little bit more expensive, but pick out whichever one you want and go buy it.